Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you all have a good week so far. So last week I've shared with you the unboxing of the 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure from Orico. Just so you know, I've spent a total of $10 for this bad boy. So if you're a vegetarian, then this is your go-to hard disk drive enclosure. Now, the question is, how do we use this HDD enclosure? Well, the next clips will show you how to get this into action. Alright, bring out your old or extra drive. As you can see, I have a mechanical disk drive here. Like I said, it was an extra disk drive. You have to remember that if the ports doesn't fit, you are putting it the wrong way. And after you successfully insert the drive into the enclosure, try to plug the USB interface to your laptop or your computer desktop. If the LED indicator is lit up, that means your enclosure is working. So, in my case, I have a laptop over here and I just plug in the USB into it. And like I said, if the LED light is lit up, it means it is working. Also, you will get a notification in your computer that a new USB device is connected. Then the next thing is to locate the path of your drive in your computer. Check if there are files you want to back up before you completely format your drive. Making backups may take time. It depends on the amount of your files. And once you're done with making backups, you can reformat the drive using the built-in format command in Windows or using an independent application. You can partition and reuse your drive as an external storage device. In my case, I've used the built-in command of the Windows to reformat my drive, and then use the independent application to partition it. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful in your DIY project. I will see you again in the next video. Just a friendly reminder, if I can do this, I'm sure you can as well. Bye for now.